Dunkin' Donuts to grab some coffee. Burger King's line was a mile long. Ooh. I was telling you.
At least there's no line. Look at the Christmas tree.
Alright, so we're at Dunkin' Donuts right now. I'm going to grab the holiday blend.
I'm gonna get a nice
Trying to see if they have refills. They're going to just do a refill of my Yeti, but apparently she doesn't think so.
Oh, I thought you meant like refills,
Like I'll give
if
her.
you drank it all, then you would come back and get another one. I didn't realize you meant in your head.
Like I'll give her my Yeti, and then maybe she can refill it. Some places do that. I guess that's fine.
That's fast.
All right, we're posted up right by the window waiting for our airplane. I got a coffee, Sabra hummus, roasted garlic, pretzels, and a banana. Has a pretty decent brown spot at the end of it. No selling, purchase it. Yeah. Is it good though?
No, it's really good. It just needs like icing, I feel. Like it's dry. But it tastes really good.
There's chocolate chips on it.
Like I wish it had like a
So it's
chocolate icing.
just a plain muffin with chocolate chips.
Right. No, it's not plain. It's French vanilla.
Oh. Interesting. All right, well, it looks really good.
Can I try it?
No, I'm going to eat my hummus. Hummus has a lot of calories in it. So I got to throw out this banana, though.
I'm glad I got that.
Yeah, so like I was saying, I think I'm converted to Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts, pretty good coffee.
I wouldn't get too ahead of yourself.
I don't know. It was pretty good. Although a little bit expensive. It was like a $2.65 for medium. Probably right in line. Probably right in line with Starbucks. But I see Dunkin' Donuts as like the cheaper of the two. So I'm surprised that it was that much money. It's nice to see that they got away from the styrofoam cups. Dunkin' Donuts always used to have styrofoam cups.
They don't have styrofoam.
Yeah, like they're normal paper now. She's downloading The Grinch on her iPad. What's the download at?
I'm in a Grinch mood, and I just remembered it's only at 13. 14.
Yeah, that's not downloading. No way.
But do you think I could watch it like as it downloads?
You can watch probably the first 14% of it. Ooh, 15.
I tried.
There's no way that's download. So we land at 11:30. We'll be at the hotel around like 12:30 in the morning. Check in, probably sleeping by 1 o'clock. But we're here. We don't have to rush in the morning. Don't have to worry about it like breakfast at the hotel. It's a nice Hyatt right by the Kennedy Space Station.
For security, because that's never happened before, especially coming to Orlando.
Yeah, our night flight, we've never been through security this fast before. There was no one in line for check-in. There was no one in line for TSA. It was nuts. I'm converted with the Dunkin' Donuts. We're also converted with the nighttime flying. That's really the way to go now, I guess. Hey, you're at 23%, by the way.
Ooh, that jumped. 24.
We'll be here for another 45 minutes, so I'm sure that will download.
Oh, yeah, we have to.
Yeah. So we're in baggage claim right now. The hotel that we're going to is approximately 40 minutes away.
Oh, Lord. So is Port Canaveral near Disney World?
No.
It's not?
No, I don't think so, no.
Like the
Port
other-
Canaveral is like the port. Disney World's like more inland a little bit more.
Okay.
So,
Because Disney World is central Orlando.
right, it's a little bit of a difference. So right now we're gonna get our bags and then we're gonna see if we can get a Lyft or Uber
See
back to the
after we
hotel.
go.
We are waiting for our bags at baggage claim. We were the third row in the airplane, so a little bit long of a wait here since we were one of the first ones out. Hope we're in the right spot. The signs don't, it doesn't say Philadelphia yet, so I feel like we're in the right spot. I recognize that woman, she was on the plane. So we'll just camp out here for a little bit. Got a little private area.
So I'm annoyed because I was really excited about bringing a Mickey treat on the cruise, but the store was closed.
Yeah, the Magic of Disney store was closed.
I literally rushed off the plane to get there in time and it was closed. Like I could taste the Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah, who knew it was going to be closed at 11:50 at night?
Well, I don't know. Disney's always trying to like get, like, you know what I mean?
Those Disney dollars. It is quiet in this baggage claim area.
So how did you like flying at night? Normally we get like a 6 a.m. flight.
Yeah, the night flight was nice. Needing to wake up at 3 in the morning, which is what we typically do. We wake up at 3 a.m., rush here, and then being able to, although we did still rush, but we didn't have to wake up at 3 in the morning.
Right, and we had pretty much everything. Like
yeah.
We left at a perfect time.
So I'm all in on the night flights for sure. Say hi, Mel.
Hey guys.
Got a huge couch right here. When I booked the room, I thought it was just gonna be a king bed, but we were kind of surprised that there's a couch. Awesome. Little side table. I don't know if the couch pulls out. No, actually it might.
No way.
I think it does.
Really?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it definitely comes out. So that's awesome. Cool. So that's that probably pulls out into a queen. Nice little futon area thing right there, or a footrest. Here's the king bed. There's a pretty big TV. I'm gonna say maybe like 55 inches. Coffee. There's a small fridge. A lot of drawers. There's 3 drawers here. A closet with a good amount of hangers. Extra pillow and a nice little secret case there. Let's see, ironing board. There's a safe, an iron, a little luggage rack. Let's see over here. This is probably the HVAC system. There's a window. The window opens, but it only opens about 3 inches. So, but it's still nice to get some fresh air. Yeah, this bed's awesome. The king size bed is awesome here at the Hyatts. We only stay at Hyatts, like I said, and the bed is always amazing. Actually, I would love to purchase one if I could. So, yeah, you got a nice little lamp here that provides some light. Overall, very satisfied with the room. Unfortunately, we're only staying here one night, but it's
Less than 24 hours.
for what we paid, which was let's see, I used my Hyatt reward points. So this was 8,000 points, which is the equivalent to $80 in Hyatt points for one night. So essentially, it was free. You have to spend money to make those points. So take it for what it is, but essentially it was free. So very satisfied. All right, let's head out. That's all for today. Tomorrow we're going to get some breakfast and then board the Carnival Mardi Gras at 11. Stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe.